Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our question is what is science? Science is derived from a Latin word scientia. Scientia means knowledge. Now the question arises what type of knowledge is it? Other subjects like Urdu, English, history, Islamiyat, geography, they are also knowledge. Then what is the difference between science and other knowledge? For answering this question, first, we will discuss the base words that make the science. In science, S stands for systematic, C stands for comprehension, I stand for investigation, E stand for exploration, N natural, C causes, and E effects. So, in simple wording, science is the study of natural causes and effects based on exploration, based on investigation and experimentation. So it is the systematic study of nature. It is clear from this word that we study the nature but with experimentation and observation. As science is the study of nature, so it is also called natural philosophy. Now come to definition of science. The knowledge based on observations and experiments is called science. These are two keywords for the definition of science, and it is very easy and comprehensive definition of science. Knowledge based on observations and experiments means in this branch we first observe the things and then we verify them with the help of experiments. Now come to main division of science. Science is divided into two main divisions. Number one, biological sciences, and number two is physical sciences. As it is clear from the name that in biological sciences we will study the living things. In simple words, we will study biology, and it is divided into two main branches, zoology and botany. Zoology is the study of animals and botany is the study of plants. Then physical sciences is the study of non-living things. In simple wording, we will study about matter and energy, changes in matter and the principles and laws which govern these changes. It is further divided into maths, physics, chemistry, astrology, geology. All other branches are physical sciences. I hope you have understand the topic. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.